through the wonders of nature. Unique creatures, relying on each other, regardless the species. From the lowest ground to the highest peak. Captivating us humans with its vibrant colors. This is our treasure. In the cool, freshwater canals of Mexico City lives a creature that seems straight out of a fairy tale. The axolotl. Unlike most amphibians, axolotls never truly grow up. They are living fossils, existing for millions of years with little change to their appearance. Eyes are unique-looking lemurs found only in Madagascar. These animals have a mix of features that might seem odd. They possess big eyes and ears, a rodent-like incisor that never stops growing, and a long, bushy tail. They live in groups and breed families during the summer months. Koalas. These adorable animals are marsupials, like kangaroos, but their diet is quite unique. They're specialized herbivores that subsist almost entirely on eucalyptus leaves, which are toxic to most animals. Koalas are champions of sleep, averaging a whopping 18 to 22 hours a day. Bears are fascinating mammals found around the world with 8 distinct species. These powerful animals come in various sizes, from the brown bear, the Earth's largest land predator, to the sun bear, the smallest. Most bears are omnivores with a keen sense of smell and powerful claws for climbing and catching prey. However, the giant panda, though classified as a bear, is an herbivore that thrives on bamboo. Unfortunately, habitat loss, poaching, and climate change threaten bear populations. Conservation efforts are vital to ensure their survival. Elephants, the largest land animals on Earth, they have the largest brains of any land animal, weighing up to 13 pounds. They use their trunks for breathing, smelling, grabbing food, watering themselves, and even communication. An elephant's trunk is a marvel of nature, containing over 150,000 muscles and incredible dexterity. Elephants are highly social creatures living in close-knit family herds. They grieve their dead, cooperate to raise young, and exhibit strong bonds within the herd. Giraffes are truly amazing creatures, standing tall with their beautiful features, captivating and majestic. Each giraffe's spot pattern is like a fingerprint. No two are identical. They reign supreme as the tallest land animals on Earth, reaching heights exceeding 18 feet. Their legs alone are taller than many humans. Their long necks are accompanied by incredibly long, prehensile tongues, up to 1.8 feet. They also communicate with low-frequency sounds that we can't hear. Tisbanina, the king of the mountains. It is the highest peak in the eastern Alps, towering at an impressive 13,281 feet. Tisbanina reigns supreme over the Engadin Valley. It holds the distinction being the easternmost peak in the Alps that rises above 13,000 feet. While the majority of these enormous mountains are found in the Western Alps, Tisbanina stands proudly as the easternmost giant. A majestic peak steeped in challenge and beauty. The Matterhorn, a titan among the Alps. It rises above the landscape with a near-perfect pyramidal peak reaching 14,692 feet. Its iconic silhouette has captivated hearts and imaginations for centuries. This legendary mountain is more than just a scenic wonder. It's a formidable challenge etched into the Swiss skyline. Looming over Lucerne, Mount Pilatus, shrouded in legend and local lore, it is a magnet for adventure seekers. At 7,014 feet, it offers dramatic climbs and breathtaking panoramas. Pilatus is a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts. The world's steepest cogwheel railway offers a thrilling ascent to the summit, while hiking trails provide opportunities to explore its rich flora and fauna. The mighty peak of Jungfrau, towering at an altitude of 13,640 feet. Jungfrau isn't the lone Wolf, though. It forms a formidable trio with its neighboring peaks, the Eiger and Menanche, known as the Big Three of the Bernese Alps. Instantly recognizable for its dramatic presence overlooking the Lauterbrunnen and Grindelwald valleys. The Eiger, a mountain in the Bernese Alps of Switzerland. It is not just notorious for its challenging climb, but also admired for its beauty. Its north face is a nearly vertical wall of rock and ice, but other aspects of the mountain offer breathtaking scenery. From its peak, hikers can enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and glaciers. These adorable seabirds capture hearts with their colorful beaks and comical strolls on land. Nicknamed clowns of the sea, puffins, they're impressive divers, capable of reaching depths of 200 feet underwater using their wings to propel themselves. They boast brightly colored beaks and puffy underparts, making them undeniably cute. Mountain birds, a group of feathered creatures that have adapted to thrive in the often unforgiving environment of high altitudes. Many mountain birds have thick feathers that provide excellent insulation against the cold mountain air. Some species even have feathers that extend over their legs and feet for added warmth. The thin air and unpredictable winds of the mountains demand exceptional flying skills. Mountain birds are agile and have excellent maneuverability, allowing them to navigate through gusts and around obstacles with ease. The epic trek of the wildebeest. Every year, over 1.5 million wildebeest embark on a phenomenal 1,800-mile journey across the East African savanna. This relentless trek is fueled by their constant search for sustenance and water. A mesmerizing display of light in Puerto Rico's Mosquito Bay, millions of microscopic organisms called dinoflagellates light up the water, creating an otherworldly glow. This bioluminescence is a defense mechanism triggered when the dinoflagellates are disturbed by movement in the water. A tale of mutual dependence. Clownfish and anemones share a fascinating symbiotic relationship. Clownfish take refuge among the stinging tentacles of anemones, which protect them from predators. In return, clownfish keep the anemone clean and free of parasites. Certainly, mountain waterfalls are a powerful testament to the erosive forces that sculpt our planet's landscapes. Imagine standing at the base of a cascading waterfall, the mist spraying your face as the deafening roar fills your ears. The cascading water not only carves majestic canyons, but also nourishes the surrounding ecosystem, providing a vital source of fresh water for plants and animals. Nature's beauty extends far beyond the landscapes and habitats we see. It's a complex and interconnected web of life. Creature plays a vital role. This intricate dance of life ensures the survival of all species and the ongoing health of the planet.